Hello everyone, welcome back to EasyKnowHow. In this video, we will learn how to create an Instagram account. So let's get started. First things first, let's download the Instagram app and get your new profile set up. Ready? Let's go!
First, open the Instagram app. Click on Create New Account. Enter your mobile number. Press the Next button. Press the SMS button. Enter the confirmation code and create a password. Set the date of birth. Enter your full name and USR name. Set up your profile. Finally, create your Instagram account.